We have the Bugha keyboard and the mouse. I took a picture instead of recording stuff because I'm an idiot. Because I just started to open this. I don't have high expectations for this. You know, Bugha, whatever you're gonna call him. Won the, solo Fortnite Cup, whatever, a few years ago. This stuff was each $10, and I'm not expecting it to be good. I'm just gonna finish unboxing the keyboard. Not a good unboxing, by the way. Alright. Here it is. This is a membrane keyboard. Here's a sound test. So I do not expect there's little arrows. It's supposedly laser engraved, which I can feel there is a little bit of a texture to it. The text is fine. Let's plug this in. Okay. This is what it looks like. The lighting's fine. I don't know if you can change it or not. Oh, it's just on and off. Let's move on to the mouse. Alright. What the fuck? What is this? This looks like crap. It looks so... It's unique. It could double click. I will admit, the build quality is really nice. There's like... Here's a sound test. It does actually have like a semi-flexible cable. Let's see what it looks like. So it looks like... I want to find out if this can double click. I want to see how much I can get. So I can do like 10 clicks per second jitter. I am actually surprised at the build quality on these. This was $10. I do like the build quality. It actually feels very nice in the hand. And it has this very nice kind of smooth coating. Kind of like the Model O, but like slick. I don't know how to describe it. But it's surprisingly nice. The keyboard is just okay. The mouse, at least I can tell you the build quality on this is very good. I'll have to see how accurate it is. From moving it around, it looks decent. I'll have to see if it spins out and stuff. But this is it for now. Thanks for watching.